Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT tablet 10 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we should click here to open the application. Tap here yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 31 and 8. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.